Well, congratulations, everyone. If you're watching this video now, you have completed your core training and you're about to take your final exam. The final exam, you don't need to score a particular score. You just need to get about 1 or 2% correct, and then you could submit all and finish, and then you can go ahead and get your certificate of completion. So basically, you'll go into your exam. If you don't have time and you just want to get your certificate, you basically answer a few questions correctly, and then you go to finish attempt right here. Oh, hold on a second. There we go. You do finish attempt all the way down at the bottom and submit all and finish. And once you do that, now remember, you need to get about 2 or 3 or 4 questions correct. It doesn't hurt to get 10. Then you go back out to the main page. I'm getting a problem here. Go back out to the main page, and what'll happen is after you submit your exam, then the completion certificate and instructions will unlock. So you'll see this module underneath here. Now what's extremely important and what is required is that you complete this form right here, this ALF Core Completion Acknowledgement Form. So you put in your last name, your first name, middle initial if you have one, and this is important, you need your last 4 digits of your social security number so I can report you to the state. If you do not do this part, I cannot report you to the state. And so complete this, click submit, only takes a minute. Then below that there's the Department of Elder Affairs ALF Core Competency Test information, their phone number, here's their application for the state exam, so let's go ahead and open that. There's the link, and you just go ahead here, fill out the application. They actually have an online version, I think. Yeah. So you'll complete the online version, and then you agree and pay. You'll select the trainer's name, which will be Cheryl Stockstill from the list right here, and it's pretty simple. Now, after you do that, you come back into the core. Let's see here. And there's instructions you can open as well. Okay. And here's your completion certificate. So you go ahead and click on your completion certificate. And a lot of questions I get is, did I spend enough time in the course? Well, if this opened and it doesn't say you haven't spent the required time, that means that you have spent the required time. And all you do is you go ahead and click on the certificate, and it generates, and you go ahead and save it, print it, both. Okay. And now you are ready to go ahead and take that register for the state exam. But I just want to remind you, this step right here, if you don't do it, we don't report. Okay? So go ahead and take a minute, complete this form. If you don't see this whole section here, if you don't see this section under the final exam, it's probably because you didn't submit your answers. So if you don't see it, go back into your final exam, continue last attempt, answer your questions, and finish attempt. Okay? But like I said, you have to get about 1 or 2%. And that's it. Okay? And thank you.